Welcome back to AllbyOly Design. Today I'm going to show you how to taper the pants. But first I will measure how much I have to shorten it since I have to shorten for the customer. I will measure this distance equal and then I will leave 2 inches from my line that I marked and then I will cut it the rest. Then we will be ready to measuring everything for taper leg. After I cut the extra fabric, I will take the chalk and start measuring from one side and other side 3/4 of an inch. If you are a beginner, I would recommend to take a ruler and make all the lines so you know how to sew an exact line how you sew it. We also gonna measure 3/4 close to the knee, and then from the knee up we will have to measure to 0, and you will see where's the hip area. This is where we have to stop. When we taper both sides, the inseam and outseam. As you see, I'm going to 0 and then I'm connecting this line with the one that we measure 3/4. After I mark the on out seam, I'm gonna start marking on inseam. To mark on inseam, I have to remove this scratch piece because it's on my way, but then we will have to sew it back after we're done tapering. With a seam ripper, just a little by little, you can remove it. Now we'll do exactly the same thing, 3/4 from the stitch. This is how much we have to adjust to make taper leg. These pants are dress pants, but you also can do exact same technique for the woman pants. After we measured, we are ready to sew. Take a seam ripper, you only have to cut the beginning and then the running stitch will run all the way to where it begins. Make sure also to cut the thread at the beginning so that way you don't open a whole pants, and then you can just easily remove. Since the pants usually are sewed with a chain stitch, it's very easy to remove it. You just need to find which way the direction of it, and that's all. After adjusting both legs and also both inseam and outseam and removing the stitch, then we can press it very well. And also it depends of customer. For example, some customer they prefer to leave extra fabric inside. Some customer they don't mind, so we can cut them and leave only half-inch allowance, serge and all press. For pressing, I'm gonna use my sleeve board and press both ways. After we taper the leg, we can adjust the pants, and as you see, I already fold them and sew them. Now I just need to press. When we pressing the pants, if you have professional iron, you can use this exactly technique. If you have the home iron, make sure you adding the piece of fabric on top so you don't damage the fabric. This tool I got it from Wawak and it really helps me to press the pants and also to keep it perfectly straight. I hope this tutorial will help you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this, and if you have any question, please feel free to comment, and I wish you all the best.